Hi Yumi.
Hi folks, my name is Dimitris Delios and this is my video for the problems I'm facing with my Yumi Zero. First of all, I don't know if it's possible to see that in the video, but as you can see there are already cracks in the screen. So I would like it to get this fixed. What is more, the screen has angled from this side, so that's a problem too. Finally, the real problem, what's really wrong with the phone, is that these buttons here, the LED buttons, are not lit anymore. Maybe they are broken, I don't know. Finally, when I make a call, the other person can't hear me. So maybe there's a problem with the microphone. Anyway, these are my problems with my Yumi Zero. I would really like it to get fixed because it's a great phone. So please respond. We'll be in touch. Bye bye, thank you.